Hey everybody, Adam here with Avon Protection again. A lot of our frequently asked questions revolve around filters. When do I use them? How long do they last? When should I change them out? Or when do I not use them? I have a few examples here on the table for you. We're going to start with what packaging is, what it's supposed to look like, what does right look like, so on and so forth. The first filter we're going to go over is the CBRN CF50. This is going to come in a plastic container with a plastic lid. When you remove the lid, it's going to have a foil that's been sealed to the top of the packaging. If this foil looks damaged in any way, if it has peeled up in any way, if something just looks wrong, you may have a faulty filter inside of the package. Additionally, NH15 escape hood, along with some of our other vacuum sealed packages here, you'll see that it is a nice compact brick. It is no issues. There hasn't been any sort of loss of package integrity. It doesn't look like a loose bag, okay? If you come across any of that, whether it's loose, whether it has a tear, a poke, a pinhole, something of that nature, you may have a filter that has suffered some type of loss in performance due to an integrity issue. Same thing for this. You'll see a lot of these packaging for CTCF50s, GPCF50s, CFP100s. If you see any type of loss of vacuum, if you see any type of inflation to the bag, something that just looks wrong, you may have a filter that has had some type of effect from the humidity in the environment. Now we're going to get into our humidity indicator located at the top of the filter. Here you see a CBRN CF50 filter out of the packaging. At the top of the filter is a blue ring, and inside of that is going to be a white patch. If the filter is in good condition, that white patch is going to be perfectly white. If you see any sort of spotting, something that looks miscolored, or something that is discolored, your filter may have come in contact with a sufficient enough humidity to degrade the protection of the filter. In which case, you need to discard that filter properly and then proceed to open a new package with a new filter. Once you've taken the filter out of the packaging, you have verified that the humidity indicator has not tripped. You then need to inspect your filter to make sure that it is not damaged in any way. Did this filter go through some type of rough handling while in the package? You want to make sure that you absolutely check that there is not damage to the filter. If you have an excess amount of carbon falling out of the filter, if you have cracks, deep scratches, if the lid of the filter may be dislodged, if any of those things are found, please dispose of the filter properly, find a new filter, and inspect that one, going back to the humidity indicator, and then evaluating the filter for damage. If the filter has been in use, for example, a CTCF50, as shown down here in the front of the table, if this filter has been in use for a little while, inspect it for any type of water damage. This could have occurred through rain. It could have been submerged. For example, if I have people that are working in the military and you've gone through a water crossing, please inspect the filter to make sure that you do not have an excess amount of water inside of the filter. This can be found through the inlet of the filter or through the back of the filter, the outlet. Simply dump the filter over, see if anything comes out. If water has come out of either end of the filter, please dispose of the filter properly. Now, if the filter has been in service for a little while, let's take the CTCF50 for example. If you have had that filter on the mask for a prolonged period of time, whether in use or in storage, if that filter is experiencing some type of breakthrough, how would you know? Your smell or eye stinging. If you smell some type of CS or riot control agent, if your eyes start to sting or water, please retreat to a safe area, take off the filter, put a new filter on, and go through the previous steps that we described around the humidity indicator and the damage to the filter. And then you can proceed back into the environment that you are in. If you are working with the CBRN CF50 or another type of CBRN type of filter, there are some chemicals and toxins that you may not be able to smell before they become dangerous, or they may not have a smell at all. In which case, you're going to consult the user instructions for the filter. Additionally, make sure that you have a fresh filter on for each environment that you go into. If you are experiencing a strange smell, a strange taste, or stinging of the eyes, please consult the mask first. You may have an improperly fit mask. Adjust the mask, adjust your straps, and then conduct another negative pressure check on the mask. If this doesn't resolve the issue, please swap filters when it is safe to do so. If you are using the M1 half mask with the particulate filter, or you're using a CFP100 and you experience an unusual high breathing resistance in the filter, and you've worn this filter for a prolonged period of time, or if it's fresh out of the packaging, please retreat to a safe area, discard the filter appropriately, and place a new filter on the mask. Go through a negative pressure check as well. The unusually high breathing resistance could be because the filter has become clogged during use. This may vary based off the environment you're in, if there's more particulate or less particulate. When we're speaking about particulate filters exclusively, although they are found in all of our products, if the breathing resistance has become too high, or if they've been exposed to any type of highly toxic chemicals or biological agents, please replace those filters. Ideally, your filters are going to be replaced on a regular schedule, for example, every 40 hours or after 1 month out of package. Please consult with your local safety officer to make sure that you are adhering to your standard operating procedure. Referencing our Riot filters specifically, the CTCF50 and the CSCF50, please change them out on a regular schedule dictated by your standard operating procedure. If they have come in contact with any type of Riot agent, please discard that filter and wear a new filter. When referencing any of our CBRN filters, whether that be the CBRN CF50, the GPCF50, M61, FM61, or FM61EU, if they've come into any type of exposure to a chemical or hostile environment, please change that filter within 8 hours. It's better to be safe than sorry. If there are any questions about how to properly handle, use, dispose of a filter, please contact Avon Protection customer service, but foremost, please go through the user instructions provided and consult with your local safety officer for your standard operating procedure.